Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Android data to iPhone. So if you have an Android or you have an iPhone and you want to move the data you have on your Android to your iPhone, this video is going to help you through. Mark you, your iPhone must not have been set up if you are trying to move all your data from your Android to your iPhone. Now, the first you want to do when transferring data from Android to iPhone is make sure your iPhone is on the setup screen. Then go to your iPhone settings. To reset your iPhone, scroll down and click on General, then scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Erase All Settings. Hang on, so this is going to reset or erase all your iPhone settings. Click on the Continue button, then type in your iPhone passcode. You can see uploading data to iCloud. Then you can even skip the backup. You don't have any data on your iPhone, skip backup. Then go ahead and type in your iCloud password. Then once you've done that, tap return or done depending on your device. Then you should see a pop-up here that says turn off. Click on the turn off. Then another pop-up will come up and say erase iPhone. Click on that. There you go. Just hang on and your iPhone will start to erase your iPhone. So while your iPhone is erasing your iPhone, go to the Play Store on your Android phone. That is the Android phone whose data you want to move to your iPhone. Then search for this application called Move to iOS. Move to iOS, click on that, and then download and install this application on your Android phone. So this is the application we're going to use to transfer your Android data to your iPhone, and this is going to move entirely everything you have on your Android phone to your iPhone. This includes your contacts, your email, photos, and videos. However, the only limitation here is you want to make sure that you have enough storage space on your iPhone so that when you move your data from your Android phone to your iPhone will be able to accommodate them. So with that sorted out and you've already downloaded and installed the Move to iOS application on your Android phone, just hang on for your iPhone to restore to the default settings completely. Now, once your iPhone is reset and you say hello, then just swipe up just like this or press the Touch ID on your iPhone. Now here, select your language, then select your region. Then you should see setting language on your iPhone. Wait for your iPhone to set up your language, and once that is done, click on Set up manually. Then hit the Continue button. Then you want to connect your iPhone to a WAV file. Then click on the WAV file name, and then tap the WAV file password. Then click on the Join button at the top right. Wait for your iPhone to connect to this WAV file hotspot. Then it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Then Apple needs to activate your iPhone before you can transfer your data from your Android phone to the device. Now, once your iPhone is activated, click on Continue. Then set up Touch ID later. You can always do this later. Don't use. Then you'll be prompted to set in a passcode and choose 4-digit or 6-digit passcode. And then type in your iPhone passcode. Confirm this passcode. Then you should see an option that says apps and data. Then here you have option 2, restore from iCloud, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android. Since you want to transfer your data from your Android to your iPhone, then click on move data from Android. There you go. Then move data from Android. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your photos, message, and more to the iPhone. Download this application on your Android device to get started. Then come back to your Android phone and click on open to open the move to iOS device. Click on the agree button, then tap continue here. Use this app to transfer message, photos, and more from this Android device to a new iOS device. Click on continue and tap continue here. Then tap agree. Then send app usage data. Then shows this. Location permission required. Tap continue. Then tap allow while using this application. There you go. Tap continue. Tap allow. Then turn on WAV file settings. Go to your Android phone and turn on WAV file. Then come back again to the application. Then click on the continue button. Then find your code. This is the code you want to use. If you don't see a code on your iOS device, make sure you are in iOS setup assistance and now selected move data from Android. Then you need to type this iOS passcode. Click on continue and then type this code 735914. There you go. You can see connecting. So once your Android phone can detect this application, you'll be prompted to connect, then hit the connect button. connecting. Connection successful. You can see your iPhone is now preparing, and this is waiting for the data you want to move on your Android to your iPhone. And here I want to move all, allow, then move my contacts, allow, move calendar, move Google account, move phone library, allow, then move all my apps if possible, then the display settings, accessibility, and also move my WhatsApp. Then start. There you go. You see preparing. And here on my iPhone is saying waiting for this. On your other device, choose what you would like to copy to your iPhone. So you can see preparing. I'm on 10%. Just need to hang up for your 100 phone. Prepare your 100 phone data so as to move it to your iPhone device. And do not forget that you need to keep your phone unlocked and this app on open. So you need to be active on the move chart to iPhone or iOS devices while you are on this chart on your iPhone. Just keep on. There you go. Almost done. You will be redirected to the move to iOS app to complete the transfer. Then click on next. Then click on the continue button. Then you can see transferring data to iPhone. You can see your iPhone is calculating how long it's going to take this data to be transferred from your 100 phone to the iPhone. Keep this iPhone turned on and connected to power until the transfer is complete. So this might take a couple of hours or minutes depending on the file size or your 100 phone that you are trying to move to your iPhone. So just keep both devices active while your data is transferred from your 100 phone to your iPhone. Now you can see my data is now transferring from my 100 to my iPhone, and the estimated time is about 2 hours 45 minutes. It may not be up to 2 hours 45 minutes, and it may be more than 2 hours 45 minutes. All you just need to do is hang on for all your data on your 100 phone to be transferred to your iPhone. Now you can see we are about 1 minute to go to complete the transferring of data from our 100 phone to our iPhone. So once this is complete, then all the data on this 100 phone will be moved to this iPhone. Then once the transfer is complete, if you see transfer complete, your data has been transferred to your new iPhone and is being imported. Now recycle your 100 device and just hit the done button on your 100 device. Once you hit the done button on your 100 device, go to your iPhone and click on continue setting up iPhone. Then you'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID, then click on the return button or done. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to type your Apple ID password or passcode and click on the done button or return button at the bottom right. Then you see your iPhone trying to connect to your iCloud account or your Apple ID account. This indicates that your iPhone is trying to connect to the server, and if your Apple ID password and username are both correct, then you'll be able to sign into your Apple ID on your iPhone after you've transferred your data from your 100 phone to your iPhone. So that is it. You have successfully moved or transfer your data from your 100 phone to your iPhone. Now that you are done transferring your data from your 100 phone to your iPhone, then let's check what we have on the photo app. You can see this. So these are all my photos from my 100 phones. If I go to my 100 phone, I come to gallery, and then you can see these are all my photos. So I have the entire photos of my 100 phone now on my iPhone. So this is all you just need to do to transfer your 100 phone data to your iPhone. If this is helpful and educative, you want to leave a button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.